Good morning. It's Thursday, July 31st. We hate to see July go away with the kind of July weather we've had this year, but we'll turn the page and go to August. Down here at the long range, had a little bit of a messed up day yesterday. Had rented trenchers that we had issues with and ended up only getting a couple lines cut in, and now we're got another trencher this morning and starting up a little bit better here today. Here at the northeast corner of the range, and you can see I've got a little bit of shadow here in front of me, but it's 9:15 in the morning and we've got pretty much full sun. We do have a large cottonwood and some oak trees here, but the oak trees actually provide a little bit of protection for us from the from errant golf balls. And the cottonwood does allow some sunlight through, so. But this corner stays in the sun field all afternoon into the evening, so we're really not worried about a little bit of lack of sun here in the corner in the morning because it gets baked all afternoon into the evening, so pretty good shape. But anyway, you can see some of the lines we're draining here. Trying to get enough lines in as the water comes across the tee. It sheets down and then it sheets over to the back corner, sheets over to the southwest corner. And what we're trying to do is get some of this sheet water to where it'll slowly drain. It's not going to just gulp into the lines, but when it does go through the soil profile and then does go over the drain lines, it'll drain slightly faster. We'll have some pea gravel material in there, but in the top 6 inches we'll have soil, so we don't have drain line exposure to where you see the drain lines when it does get a little bit dry. But it should work out really well. It should dry the area much quicker. Of course, the sunlight and air movement will dry out the area quick as well. We have one line. Skip's going to get ready to trench here, and then we're going to drain across the back because that area has a tendency to stay pretty wet. We've got about 3 more lines to do. Then we've got to we'll remove all these spoils. We're going to build up the front a little bit, all the front area, and we're going to build up the side to get us at least one more station down the side and at least one more hitting day on the front, if maybe not 2. And I realize that does push balls up to the top of the range, but I think we can look at doing some smaller fencing in the very back to help get the balls that bounce up into that area. And then all you big hitters will have to be careful about not bombing it too far. But anyway, we're moving along here. We've got a little bit of weeds that have popped up. I'm not sure what happened in my spray the other day. I've got some that's burned down, but I've got to come out with a backpack and attack a few of these. Got a little bit of Remuda popping up. But we'll get this covered up. We'll get this soil moved all out. We'll get trenches backfilled today, and with pea gravel and covered up, and then we can get the tee back open. We got just a few smaller trees to remove, mostly up in this western side right here where we get a little bit of shade coming in the afternoon. And we've got a little bit of shrubby stuff here in the back to get rid of on the edge. Got to raise some irrigation heads, and then we got to let it sit for another couple weeks, allow the spray material we put down, and then if anything else pops up, we'll hit it. And I'm intending to get a hold of the contractor, and we're going to try to till in the tee and then laser level it on the week of the 18th. So have a great day. That's what's going on in the long range tee.